Insurance. The manufacturing journey begins with carefully inspected Grey Brahman Bull hides. Every raw material is documented before entering the production line.
Industrial washing removes dust and contaminants from every premium hide. Clean material ensures consistent leather quality. Precision trimming prepares every hide for uniform processing. Only premium sections continue to production.
Salt preservation protects the hide before tanning begins. It prevents unwanted bacterial growth.
Soaking restores flexibility before chemical treatment. The fibers become ready for the next manufacturing stage. Precision fleshing creates a clean leather surface. Only the premium hide layer remains. Laser-calibrated rollers create uniform leather thickness. Every millimeter is carefully controlled. Tanning permanently transforms raw hide into durable leather. This stage defines the leather's strength. The leather now displays exceptional flexibility and durability. Natural grain remains beautifully preserved. Hydraulic pressure prepares leather for drying. Uniform moisture levels improve final quality. Controlled drying preserves flexibility and natural grain. Temperature and humidity remain precisely balanced. Buffing enhances texture while preserving strength. Every hide receives individual inspection. A protective finish improves durability and appearance. The leather develops its luxury shine. Every premium leather sheet is carefully inspected before approval. Next, naturally white horns begin their luxury finishing process. Every naturally white horn is sorted according to size and quality. Laser measurement ensures perfect production consistency. Industrial washing removes every trace of surface contamination. The horn's natural color is carefully preserved. Diamond cutting creates perfectly uniform horn dimensions. Precision trimming prepares each horn for shaping. Computer-controlled shaping creates exceptional precision. Each horn develops its final luxury profile. Multi-stage sanding removes every microscopic imperfection. The horn surface becomes perfectly smooth. Fine polishing reveals the horn's natural beauty. A mirror-like finish begins to appear. Every polished horn receives detailed visual inspection. Only flawless pieces continue forward. A protective coating preserves shine for years. The natural appearance remains beautifully visible. Controlled curing locks in the premium finish. Every horn achieves maximum durability. Laser engraving provides permanent identification. Every premium piece receives a precision mark. Leather and horn products undergo synchronized digital inspection. Advanced AI verifies every measurement. Hand finishing enhances the leather's luxurious appearance. Every surface receives individual attention. Final polishing enhances depth and texture. The natural grain becomes even more striking. Only products meeting strict quality standards are approved. Every detail is checked one final time. Premium leather and polished horns are securely packaged for shipment. The manufacturing journey now enters its final stages. Every finished product receives a unique digital tracking code. Automation ensures complete traceability. Robotic palletizers create perfectly balanced export loads. Every pallet is built with millimeter precision. Protective wrapping secures products during transport. Each shipment is prepared for long-distance delivery. Each export pallet is weighed for shipping accuracy. Digital verification prevents logistical errors. Export labels provide instant shipment identification. Every barcode is digitally verified. Climate-controlled storage protects premium materials. Finished products await scheduled shipment.
Warehouse software organizes every outgoing shipment. Orders are selected with complete accuracy.
Careful loading protects every luxury product. Shipments are prepared for global transportation. Every shipment is securely fastened before departure. Safe transport protects premium craftsmanship. Export documentation completes the manufacturing process. Every shipment is ready for international delivery.
Finished products begin their journey to customers worldwide. Quality travels beyond the factory.
Advanced technology supports every stage of production. Precision and teamwork drive consistent quality.
Premium craftsmanship is visible in every finished detail. Each product reflects careful manufacturing.
Every product meets strict quality standards. Precision inspection completes the production cycle. From carefully prepared raw materials to luxury finished products, every stage demands precision. Thank you for exploring the complete manufacturing journey. AI-powered inspection checks every leather surface for consistency. Only flawless premium materials receive final approval. Every polished horn is measured with micron-level precision. The final finish is verified before packaging. Luxury packaging protects every premium product. Each package is prepared for international delivery.
Automated sealing ensures safe transportation. Every package is secured for long-distance shipping.
Digital labels provide complete product traceability. Every shipment receives a unique identity. Industrial robots prepare balanced export pallets. Automation improves speed and consistency. Protective wrapping stabilizes every export pallet. It safeguards products throughout transportation. Finished products move through the logistics center. Every shipment follows a carefully planned route. Climate-controlled transport preserves premium quality. Every shipment is loaded with exceptional care.
Premium products begin their journey to customers around the world. Manufacturing excellence continues beyond the factory.
Efficient logistics connect the factory to international markets. Reliable transportation supports worldwide distribution. The finished products reflect precision, craftsmanship, and quality. Every detail is carefully refined. Modern technology and skilled workers ensure consistent manufacturing quality. The production journey is complete. Thank you for exploring the complete luxury leather and white horn manufacturing process. See you in the next Inside Factory documentary.